Mike Innovative Door, Hormann, black, 5250 recess panel with top glass. This door is absolutely beautiful, awesome in black. It's got wood grain look to it, and it's got the nice overlayments that I love with the beveled edge. 3.5-inch bottom rubber. It's got 11 ball nylon wheels, all 11 gauge hardware. Sandwich steel, pinch resistant, 30,000 clicker springs. Just looks awesome. Complemented by an LDC 852 with the LED lights. This door is awesome. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343 will get you awesome looking products for your house. Increase the value of your home. 630-271-9343. Like us on Facebook and Google will like you. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Look at that. What a beautiful looking door. Awesome. Thanks for watching our videos, guys. We appreciate it. Appreciate your business. To God be the glory. Awesome door here. Thank you.